It may seem like a simple thing to have a question paper on a desk for a candidate.
What the public see is that we've got a paper that has certain questions on it, but what they don't know is that it takes us 2 years in order to come up with that paper.
The process of putting together a Cambridge English exam starts in the city of Cambridge with Cambridge ESOL.
Well, Cambridge ESOL is a part of Cambridge Assessment, and Cambridge Assessment is a department of the University of Cambridge. Cambridge Assessment is a not-for-profit organisation. What that basically means is that we're not part of a business.
We can maintain our integrity, maintain our own way of thinking of what assessment should be doing.
One of the things about Cambridge Assessment and Cambridge ESOL is this interesting blend between continuity with the past and innovation, being up to date and cutting edge. One of the things that keeps us up to date and innovative is the strength of the people that we've brought in and the knowledge base that we have here.
We're responsible for the design and the creation of the material that goes into question papers and tests, and we also are responsible for making sure that the material gets to the test takers securely, whether it's paper-based tests or it's computer-based tests.
Every year, Cambridge ESOL distributes thousands of computer-based tests around the world.
We have about 320 staff working in Cambridge, and all of those staff are dedicated to producing Cambridge English exams. The process of producing those exams is extremely rigorous. Questions are written by trained and experienced item writers. We have about 200 item writers working for Cambridge.
And I thought it would be a good idea if we had a look and decided which pieces of material...
All of our materials are pre-tested. That means they're tried out in advance, which allows us to understand how good they are.
In the last year, for example, we received back about 170,000 pre-tests from students all around the world. We then look at proofs of the question paper material. We need to select a writing task as well, which we could use.
Yes.
We check them and recheck them. We have independent experts check them as well. We then send an instruction for the question papers to be printed.
The information is then sent to DC10, a massive building that's the centre of Cambridge Assessment's logistics department.
We have a facility for printing question papers under very secure conditions. We have machinery for automatically packing and labelling the question papers into secure bags, which are then boxed up.
Millions of exam papers are stored here, ready to be pulled down and dispatched at a moment's notice.
In the course of a year, there's about 18 million exam papers come out of here. 12 million of those belong to ESOL.
The exams are then sent to over 150 countries around the world.
The final part of the process, the monitoring evaluation, is highly important to the ongoing improvement of the examination system. Nowadays, examination sessions happen throughout the year.
In addition to that, there are a number of tests that we run which are on demand.
The great thing is that so many people have heard of us, and so many people know that they can really trust the exams that come out of Cambridge.
We follow a quality management system here. One of the main principles is that it's never good enough. You can always find ways to improve.